Bloody hell, that car went across the... straight into the middle lane. What a tosser. Fast lane, look straight into the fast lane. What a tosser, yeah? Absolutely useless driver. Would you go from that lane right to the fast lane?
And City Road, M5 North, one lane out between
Really?
22 and 21 for Western Supermare for emergency repairs. Going M1 northbound, blocked between 10 for Luton Airport and 11 for
They
Luton.
should have got up speed on the hard shoulder
An
then coming.
accident.
I suppose you could have a team of people with you, friends and relatives who are very good, and they could just jot it down a bit of paper and show you, couldn't they?
It was, so yeah, we were fortunate enough to go in January, which seems like a distant memory already.
Yeah, was it amazing?
It was, yeah, it was everything we hoped it would be, and more besides.
Oh, fantastic. What's your wife's name?
Karen.
All right. Well, have you been doing playing along to 10 to the top recently?
A bit hit and miss, to be fair.
Like everybody else.
Well, yeah. Obviously, if the questions suit, then great. But yeah, there's been days